Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design this logo using the ellipse tool and the shape builder tool. Make sure watch to until the end of the video and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Select the ellipse tool. Draw a circle like this. Select a stroke color. Take the stroke thickness to around 2 point. Now select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Now press Ctrl plus D to others copies. Hold the Alt and make it long on both sides. After that, select the pen tool. Draw a line from here. Like this. Now select this. Hold Alt and drag and place it on this side. Now select all. Press Ctrl G to the group. And press Ctrl plus C to copy and Ctrl plus F to front paste. Hold Shift and rotate. Now select all and rotate again. Okay, after that, select all and go to the shape builder tool. Now click and drag to join these parts. Join every small part carefully. Perfect. Again select all and go to the shape builder tool. Change it to fill color. After that, fill them one by one. Like this. Perfect. Now select all, and stroke color none from here. Right-click on the mouse and ungroup. Select these extra parts and delete them. Okay, after that, select the ellipse tool. Draw a circle here and take the black color. Now select this, and go to the effect, blur, and Gaussian blur. Increase the blur as much as you want. And click OK, and take the opacity around 20. And go to the arrange to send to back. Okay, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.